Grand Challenges A3 1009 GPS by Hugh McManus. This presentation will outline the grand challenge of the semiconductor chip shortage that the automobile industry is facing. A pitch will be conducted to frame the strong need for the global solution to overcome this challenge. The purpose of my pitch is to present to an audience my business idea following my chosen industry undertaking a grand challenge. The semi-mobile industry is my chosen industry that is currently experiencing a shortage in demand of semiconductor chips that is in strong need for a global solution to overcome this challenge. The automobile industry is experiencing the global shortage crisis of semiconductor chips causing a grand challenge of COVID-19. The shortage in semiconductor chips occurred in the largest manufacturing countries such as the US and Japan and has a major impact on other countries worldwide that rely on these chips. Several countries rely on just one or two parts of the world, such as the US, to produce demands of chips that will service many different countries and industries. The future state will occur when automobile industries have a solution to overcome this grand challenge. Due to the severe consequences of this global issue, there is a strong necessity to have effective solutions to overcome this grand challenge. By withdrawing the collaboration of automobile companies with the semiconductor industry, a new idea of supplying their own semiconductor chips could have the potential to see the automobile industry return to the position it was once in. We believe this would change the behaviour of customers in a positive way, giving customers more availability to purchase new cars and relevant materials with less delay consuming their goods and services. We also believe this will earn back the trust and respect that customers have not had due to the implications of COVID-19 and hope to bring back joy to customers once again. The key to solving this grand challenge is all about the strategic strategies set by large companies that are involved throughout the automobile industry. For example, a lot of research and development will need to go into this potential solution and may require other large companies such as Ford collaborating with Tesla, where both organisations benefit from the support and knowledge they both offer. We expect to see these large organisations operating in the automobile industry to test different alternatives that can positively impact the industry or organisation to return to the position it was once in. However, this solution is a great idea for these large organisations to undertake. Nevertheless, this solution is unlikely to occur and be solved within the short term, rather a 12 to 16 month period. By prioritising the more important industries that individuals are most reliant on would be an appropriate decision to make during the current times we're in. We believe that the importance of satisfying your consumer market is vital, so providing goods and services to customers is our main priority. Solving the grand challenge of the shortage of semiconductor chips has another potential solution. It is evident that the semiconductor industry both services technology through its products to a range of different industries. However, due to the circumstances of COVID-19, it is highly appropriate that industries such as the automobile industry is prioritised over an industry such as the gaming industry, where goods and services of the automobile industry are much more important. We expect to see the demand for semiconductor chips arranged to the automobile industry, which will increase the demand of semiconductor chips, which will further grow the production of cars being made. The overall direction that the automobile industry is working towards is catching up on the demand of raw materials they once offered in the quickest possible timeframe. The automobile industry can look at alternatives of starting production of semiconductor chips in countries that have popular and largest reputations, or choose a different industry that can still give stable transport time and reduce stable transport with reduced lead time. This could advantage the automobile industry to catch up on the demand of production throughout a medium 12 to 16 month period. For example, Tesla, who made an estimated $31.5 billion in revenue at the end of the 2020 financial year, had the financial ability that would allow them to create their own semiconductor chips. It is evident that Tesla is expected to spend an estimated $12 billion on production and manufacturing. This demonstrates that Tesla would have the financial ability to be able to afford to undertake this challenge. However, on the other hand, Ford is much more further developed as an organisation, with $127 billion across the year of 2020 in revenue. This indicates that both Ford and Tesla have the financial ability, Ford much more on the other hand. However, you can see that this may or may not be achievable throughout a 12 to 16 month period and will take time. The research and development Tesla has begun has shown that this is relevant and can help the business. Ford and other automotive companies can follow Tesla's idea. However, financial sacrifices, facilities, volume, and demand will all need to be considered. However, this is not a 2 to 3 month solution. Tesla and other automotive companies can set structures to start work with other businesses or current suppliers and manufacturers. New facilities in new countries can be made to achieve this solution in a 12 to 16 month period. Thanks for listening.